See, it looks like it's looking at you though. Welcome back to a Wednesday follow-up.
Is it going to come out on Wednesday?
I think so.
Keep that tradition alive, even though we've slacked up a little bit.
Slacked up a lot.
A lot.
You know, we ain't done a follow-up in a long time.
It's been a hot-ass minute.
It has. We're in a new follow-up space.
Yeah.
The dedicated follow-up space.
Dedicated. This room is made for follow-ups.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's us, and there's us.
Yeah, we ain't done a follow-up in a hot minute. A lot of it was because of me.
Well, yeah.
When I had that move on my shoulders, I got to a point where I needed to take some stuff off my plate for a little bit.
Yep.
I think going forward with the follow-ups, I was kind of thinking probably not every single project needs a follow-up, because some projects get more attention than other projects. Like y'all really seem to be in on that birdhouse, the bad thing happening to everybody right now.
Yeah, not going to mention what that bad thing is.
We all know what it is.
We all know what it is.
And y'all seem to really like the new shop tour as well.
All right.
Which is also like our party spot.
Yeah, we've gotten drunk in there a lot.
Yeah. I didn't see that comment. I found a wooden pallet of Patterson Mini Flake with your channel name on it. It told me to subscribe, so I did. What? I found a wooden pallet of Patterson Mini Flake? What is that?
I don't know. Let me Google it real quick.
I just found it. It told me to subscribe, so I did. I got a lot of congrats and stuff on the new shop. Thank you, everybody.
I don't know, man. Because you have written... What did he say? That it was engraved or written on it?
You said the channel name.
With your channel name on it. I mean, at our place of work, you have written subscribe to means Woodshop. So, like, there's no telling where those pallets go after we use them. That's crazy.
I don't know,
That's crazy. It worked. It worked.
Yeah, I want to make a full-size pallet, bring it to work, and use it and ship it out. And
just brand the fuck out of it, like engrave means Woodshop logo on it all over it.
See where it ends up, dude. Oh, Harry Gary. HTFG.
It's been a while, Gary.
He was congratsing on the new place. Oh, he's moving as well.
Sorry to hear that, Gary. Oh, I mean, it's. I hope it's for the better.
I hope it's not stunted with the bad thing going on right now, Gary.
Yeah, the unmentionable bad thing.
Dude, some guy straight called me out. He's like, love how this reminds me of Steve Ramsey's workshop design. It is very similar. I mean, that man is where I learned pretty much everything I know, so his setup makes the most sense to my brain.
The man's a pro.
The man's a pro. Well, he pointed out that Junior doesn't have his own little jingle, though. Steve's cat has a little jingle every time you see his cat.
Do I have to make a jingle?
You're going to have to make a jingle for Junior.
Here comes Junior. Junior the cat. Wow.
Did y'all hear Adam's new song? It was in that shot glass, the bamboo shot glasses.
Yeah, that's
That
one.
was a new Adam jammy.
Yeah, those are all available on my channel as well.
Is that the same one?
Means Music Shop.
Dude, y'all see these dope ass coasters? I did not make a video for this, but I am gonna make a video for. I want to do the same thing, but in green. Good scrapwood project. Y'all, I'm probably a month or more ahead on videos right now. Like, I got this haircut going on, and then videos coming out for probably the next month. It'll be my previous haircut. Dude, what if follow-ups are like that, where we just talk, it's laid back, we just talk about stuff?
Just talk about random shit? I mean, I feel like I've made that suggestion before.
Oh, and question, has anybody out there watched Tiger King?
Everybody's watching it. It's great. You should.
And whose train are you on? Are you on the Joe train? Are you on the Antle train? The Baskin train?
Nobody's on the Baskin train. Actually, people are getting on the Carol Baskin train now, and it makes me kind of irritated.
Really?
Yeah, you see comments about, y'all can talk shit about Carol Baskin all you want, but she really is that bitch who's, got her third moneyed husband, and the only one who was, a boss-ass bitch enough to feed her second husband to a tiger and like y'all just wish you could beat her. That's why you hate her. I'm like, no. Be 2024.
Joe Exotic 2024.
Yeah. He'll be in prison still.
Not if Cardi B gets him out.
Not if Cardi B.
My lady
Cardi B ain't getting nobody out.
Dude, Cardi B is trying to free our future president. And I appreciate that. Whoa. Don't slash my strings now, son. Our first follow-up back and you're being threatening.
I'm a different person now.
I'm violent.
I don't have any hair.
Well, I've got a lot less. Y'all like the Intarsha? Y'all did seem to like this Intarsha when I did it. It looks great.
We can talk about this.
Y'all, Good Mythical Morning, dude.
Good Mythical Morning made puppets of themselves.
That look like this same style.
And I feel like it's been pointed out that we resemble them in kind of a way.
I think what happened was I hijacked Rhett's haircut, and then that was it. And then I bought a denim jacket, and like a few weeks later I saw pictures of Rhett wearing a denim jacket.
Is Rhett just like fucking stalking you?
I get maybe he's stalking me because he was like, oh, this guy wants to take my haircut. I'm just going to take this guy's life. So he got the denim jacket, and then I was like, coincidence. And then a little bit later, they got these. Do they prey on the tiny channels?
I don't think they
And take
do.
the good
This
ideas?
is probably just
No, Rhett
coincidence.
and like her. I like Rhett.
If
I like
any-
GMM.
If anything, if they catch on to this, we like GMM, we like Rhett and Link, and we would love to hang out with them.
Yeah.
They seem like super fun dudes.
They should invite us on their show, though.
But they should. We'd go hang out in California.
Y'all either sit at our table or let us sit at your table.
Please.
Please.
Cool.
Y'all other YouTubers start inviting us to stuff.
Please.
Please.
We're such a small channel, but we would love
We're
to
so
be.
tiny, but we want to do the fun things.
We want to hang out with you guys.
Whoa, what chance.
I can't think of
The boys are back.
We're back in town.
We're back in town. Well,
This will probably, once we start doing this more semi-regularly, we will probably yield a better follow-up. But since we've been gone for a while,
you gotta get back into the groove,
we
y'all.
got back into the groove, and we've had some crazy life shit going on.
You got a weekly question?
What was your favorite thing you used to do with your dad?
I think one of my favorite things I ever done with my old man was he had that, what do you call it? When it's that stuff.
Plastic dip?
Plastic dip?
Yeah.
He had that, and he would let me take all his wrenches and pliers and just dunk them in there, and he would hang them up to dry, and then, like, the next night, we'd go back and be like, wow. I was like, I did that.
Coated in wubba.
Yeah, and that was dope.
Me and my dad farted a lot. I think one night, me and one of my friends and him, like, we just sat around lighting our farts, and he was the only one who could do it.
Dude, the man knew.
He knew.
He knew how to do
It
it.
was a pretty sizable flame. It was impressive.
My question, what is the first thing y'all are gonna do whenever the quarantine or lockdown is lifted?
I think I'm gonna go camping.
Fun.
Let's fucking go camping, dude.
I think the first thing I'm gonna do is throw a party. Because we got this place, and I told Jennifer, we were driving to work, I was like, I think I'm gonna start sending invitations out this week and get everybody over here this weekend. And then, like, started getting a little bit worse, and then our county was like, guess what, y'all? Don't do that.
Don't do that. Don't party.
Don't party.
Don't fucking party.
Alright, I think that's it, everybody. I hope y'all are staying safe out there.
Please stay safe.
Please stay safe. Use hand sani. Use soap and Wawa. Use charcoal soap if you can, because not only is it soap, it's also good for your skin.
Yeah. Keep your dinger clean.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
That fart ended.